Hey! Look at this. Everything's all here. I think today we're gonna make a grapefruit IPA. Oh, it's recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we got the water hot, so now we're gonna steep our oats. Yeah, do a little play around with the sack a little bit. Look at that cloud forming. Oh, Alexa! Set a timer for 20 minutes. So we're soaking it for 20 minutes. And then we'll just we'll tie it off or something. That way we don't have to be here the whole time. We can't let it get above 170 degrees or the beer's gonna be bad, full of tannins or something. And we're just gonna not let that sit at the bottom, but you don't have to record all of this.
Tim, what are you doing? I am pouring malt extract into hot water.
It's not water, it's wort.
Wort.
Isn't it better that we open up the entire can instead of just punching 3 holes in it?
Maybe. I think so.
It's not the angle.
Get in. Yeah, put that in there. Slowly, slowly, slowly!
How much you got left of that sugar? I'm gonna switch sides.
So dynamic. Look at those angles. No wonder they then want you to quit the TV station.
I didn't give a shit about my camera work. They ended up having me full-time editor. Because I tried very hard in editing and I invented effects and transitions and stuff.
I don't even know how to do that.
Yeah.
Oh god, my wrist. It's carpal tunnel setting in.
I was vastly underpaid for my quality of work and what I did.
I like what my phone.
You want me to just throw this one? I'm going to.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if this boils over because that's what happens when you add hops. Did Alexa even add a timer?
Yeah.
Did she?
Oh, I don't know.
Alexa! Set a timer for 40 minutes. I can't hear what she's
She
saying.
said
It said
40
starting now.
40 minutes starting now.
Let's see what happened. Ooh, look at it get a little foamier, a little greener. Ooh, smells hoppier. Is this the right one? Okay, good. Look at that magic. It's like a witch's brew. A bitch's brew. Alright. And it looks good. Alright, so right now we have the wort cooling down, so we're having water run through this stainless steel apparatus here, and it's just doing its thing, cooling down, running out over here, and that water apparently is super hot or something. I don't know, I'm gonna see how warm this tube is. It's not too bad. But you can't really see right now, it's doing a little bit of steaming. Oh, is that Melon? You're leaving? Okay. Bye.
Bye. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Wow, I'm your brother. We're at about 80 degrees right now, and it's about 40 degrees outside, so I'm going to go ahead and kill the water on it, because in about the amount of time it takes me to pick this up, move it over, and pour the wort in, it should probably be about 70 degrees, so I'm going to take that in, I'll shake it off a little bit so we don't lose too much beer. I'm going to put that over there. So this bucket over here is what we're going to do our primary fermentation in. It still has some sanitizer in it. So we're just going to, use it to clean this little guy off over here. Just washing our shoes a little bit. So we're using a Sandy Star, which is like a go-to kitchen sanitizer. That foam's not too bad if you don't have too much of it in there. Or, I don't know. I'm not a scientist or a chef. I just like to make my own beer. I'm going to take that, put that there, because we're gonna take this 80-degree bucket of wort with all our goodies in it. I better make sure this is closed so it doesn't just like come out. Double check everything you're doing. Alright, so it should be off. Oh, no, I should have poured it out the spigot a little bit. Oh, we'll fix that in post. Alright, so it's off. And then we're gonna take this and transfer it over. We're just gonna, like an elegant waterfall. Let's get some of those hops in there, because it is an IPA. So that's what gives us that hoppy goodness. And a little more of that. So what we're going to do is now we're going to add more water to it, so we have 5 gallons of it. And then we're going to pitch our yeast and let it sit around for a couple days or a week and a half or so. But yeah.
You're good.
Bitch and brew, brew and bitch, a bitch and brew.